Dear President, Rotarian M. Jayaraja, Secretary, Rotarian Gilles Philip, Sushila Pai Madam, Rotarians, invited guests, aunts and annex. An enthusiastic good evening to all. I am proud and honored to introduce my Kathak Guru, Srimati Sushila Pai, before this august gathering. Dance is a passion, so she made it as a profession. A trained Bharatanatyam dancer, now pursuing a degree in Kathak under Gandharva Mahavidyalaya. Mudra is a symbolic hand gesture used in dance, which had made her to coin her academy as Mudra. She is successfully running her academy for the past 11 years and has trained more than 300 people under her. After realizing the therapeutic value of dance, she completed the course and obtained a certificate from the Active Create Movement Therapy Association of India. In the course, she facilitated several movement therapy workshops with different kind of population. She is a founder member of a NGO, Amara Foundation, which empowers youth and children, and external faculty for NGOs like Art Outreach, Society and Bondini. She started Art Atma, a space for such therapeutic and mental health activities. Rotarians invited guests, aunts and aunts, presenting before you the ever young, ever smiling, famous dance personality in and around Kochi, and familiar face in the Cochin Rotary fraternity. Srimati Sushila Pai for you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Rotary
you.
Chair Sonarevati. Madam, the floor is yours.
First of all, thank you, Revati, for the warm welcome. Good evening, all. I hope I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Thank you so much for inviting me to your meeting today. And this session, I planned it to be something more like an interactive. So some parts where there will be an interaction, I would request the host to unmute. I hope that's okay with everyone.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And we will be dealing with art, music, and movement today. Because I heard as soon as Revati told me about the session, I heard that you already had 3 other speakers come in. And so I thought, let me make this session a little movement-oriented, art-oriented session. So it'll be an out-of-the-box activity session. I hope everybody is ready for this. I had requested a paper and a pen to be kept at your side. Don't worry, I'm not going to ask you to, do some very big art or anything. This is just for a letting go process. Okay. We'll start off with, and one more thing. As soon as I came in, everybody was like, okay, is there dance? Let's get ready for dance and all. Let me just correct it. This is going to be a movement-oriented session. So don't think that I'm not a dancer, so I cannot participate. It is not at all dance. It's just letting go through your body. So it's like basic movements that we all have. It is not just like I have 2 left feet, I can't dance. I don't believe in that phrase at all. Everybody has movement. And so we are going to just explore the basic movements everybody has got. Okay. And a small request, can I have all the screens open so that since this is an interactive session, I would like to really see all the participants. Few are very familiar faces. I can see many of them. I think I know. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Are we good to go? If you are ready, you can show me this. Are you good to go?
Yes.
Meena ma'am, very happy to be here and presenting before you. Honored. Meena ma'am is my mentor for a lot of activities. So extremely happy that you are participating in this. Okay, let's start off. So I'm going to ask some random questions. So if your answer is, I'll give you 2 options. So if your answer is 1, you will show me this. If your answer is 2, you will show me this. Okay, very simple. Clear? Okay, first question, Mammootty Mohanlal. Which one do you like? Let's see. Mammootty is 1, Mohanlal is 2. Oh, in one screen I'm having 1 and 2. Mia biwi mein ho gaya.
If we like both, then what?
Show both the hands, ma'am. You can't understand. Jeffrey അറിയില്ല. Hello, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, I'll tell them, ma'am. Okay. 5 minutes. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, read the current going. For 5 minutes, she needs to log in. Current is gone in Sushila ma'am's house, so please give her 5 minutes to log in again.
ലാൽ സാർ എന്താ കാണിച്ചത്? 2 ആണോ 1 ആണോ 0 ആണോ?
Hello.
Yeah.
ലാൽ സാർ മോഹൻലാലാ ഉറപ്പാ?
Yes. Madam, you are on mute.
Am I audible?
Yes.
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 Okay, I'm so sorry. There's a power failure here, so my internet had gone. I had to connect it again through my hotspot. So shall we continue? I'm sorry for the interruption. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So we were starting with Mammootty Mohanlal. My second question would be parota and beef or chili chicken chapati, or let's say taira sadam for the vegetarians.
അത് ഏത് നമ്പറാ മാഡം?
3.
One is beef parota 1. Chili chicken chapati is 2. For the vegetarians, let's put it fried rice and taira sadam. Fried rice 1, taira sadam 2. 3. 3 is not an option. Only 1 and 2 is possible. Okay. Next one. Netflix 1, Amazon Prime 2. Netflix.
രണ്ടും ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. എന്നെ ma'am കണ്ടു.
രണ്ടും ഇഷ്ടാണ്. അതാണോ 3? Okay. Coffee lovers, tea lovers.
രണ്ടും ഇഷ്ടമില്ല.
Okay. In every house, I am seeing this and this. Okay. Color white or color black? White is 1, black is 2.
Yellow.
തല
2. Okay. I can see in one house, every answer is the same. Mani, Karthik and Danya. Okay. Most of them same answer. Huh? Wow.
ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഔട്ടായി മാഡം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഔട്ടായി അവിടെ.
Rekha or Madhuri Dixit? Rekha 1, Madhuri Dixit 2. Oh, I'm seeing the lady is holding Rekha and the gentleman is holding Madhuri Dixit. Jeffrey sir, I saw yours. Okay, next one. Summer season is 1, monsoon is 2. Monsoon, summer. Okay. Next one. Hill station is 1 and beach is 2. Your favorite getaway, is it hill station 1 and beach place 2? So, okay, hill station. Wow. Okay, majority is hill station. I would go for this. And the next one is mall or going to a mall or going to a park. Lulu Mall, Subhash Park. We can put it for all the Kochiites. Okay. In Vrinda Regu, the screen, they are like, should we go for 2 or should we go for 1? They're still
both we will go, ma'am.
We were ready for 2, but when you said Subhash Park, we thought we'll go to Lulu Mall.
Okay.
You guys look like you're having a phone fight out there.
Okay. Nice. FB is 1, Facebook. Instagram is this. Instagram. Some are not even raising their fingers.
Can we have 0?
0. I am putting 0 only.
0.
Zero only. Okay, now I request Mr. Jill Philip, would you like to ask a question so then the audience can answer? Same like me, you give 2 choices to the whole group. Can the others go on mute, please? So yeah. So Mr. Jill, 1 and 2, give some options. If you can make it fast, it would be nice.
Vanilla, okay. Vanilla ice cream or chocolate ice cream?
Wow. Vanilla is 1, chocolate 2. Huh? Okay. Okay. Nice. Mr. Cool K, there are 2 people there. I'm just reading the screen names. Please don't get me wrong. Mr. Cool K screen. Would you like to ask a question?
Yeah, okay, Cool K was actually for my hip hop class. I forgot to rename it.
Okay. Yeah. So would you like to ask a question quickly?
Hip hop or contemporary? Done.
Oh my God.
1 contemporary.
This is a question for the dance lovers.
1 for folk and 2 for dance.
Sorry, it's contemporary, my choice. Let's see. Okay, last question is for Mr. and Mrs. Jacob Chandy sitting there. Would you like to ask the question, sir or ma'am?
ചാണ്ടിച്ചായ മ്യൂട്ടിലാണ്. ചാണ്ടിച്ചായ മ്യൂട്ടിലാണ്. അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യൂ. പിന്നെ ചാണ്ടിച്ചായ മ്യൂട്ടിലായി.
Can you unmute yourself, sir? Okay. Okay, then we'll move on. I'll just go ahead. So this is just an icebreaker for you to get together. Where is this back? Okay. So yeah. So we will go on. So this is just to get to know each other, get to know the group. Yeah. Nice. So the second part, I would like you to take your paper and pen with you in front. For this, I request everyone to mute their phones. Only my instructions is to be heard because I'm going to play some music here. So, yes. So I request everyone to sit straight. Take a quick look around the room you're sitting. Watch the different things in the room. Do a scanning of the room. Look up, look at the floor, look at the furniture, look at all the things, accessories. You can look at if there is somebody there.
1 + 6.
Yeah, nice. Now, slowly you can slowly listen to the different sounds in the room. Closing your eyes, listen to the different sounds in the room. Slowly open your eyes and this time take your right hand and keep it on your chest. Listen to your heartbeat. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Did you identify a rhythm? How does your heart go? Okay. So now slowly take the pen and on the paper, listening to my instructions, you can just go ahead. Just you have to draw lines. any kind of lines. It can be diagonal, it can be straight, it can be zigzag. You can go ahead with it depending on how I say the instructions. So inhale, start drawing the line. Exhale, pause. Inhale, start again. Listening to your breath. Exhale, pause. Inhale, longer. Make the line longer. Exhale, pause. Now vice versa. Inhale. Now as you exhale, you start drawing. Exhale. Inhale, dot. Exhale. Inhale, dot. Exhale. Exhale longer. See how long the line can be. Last one. I'm leaving it to you. Just listen to your breath, how your breath is, and depending on that, you draw the line. Is it going to be like this or what? So listening to your breath, completely listening to your breath. Okay, come to a close. Now try changing the lines. Try changing the lines. Scribble. Draw zigzag, draw whatever. Whatever lines you want to draw. And see how your breath is. You can draw in any way you want. You want to draw circles, you want to draw lines, you want to draw up and down, you want to go fast, you want to go slow. I just want you to explore with different lines. And slowly come to a close. See how your breath and your drawing is. Just have a look at your drawing. So what we used here, nice, Jairaj. So this is very personal artwork that happened. It is what we call in art therapy. We call it like we are using art as an expression of yourself. So my whole intention for this activity is to take you from outside to inside. So at least a few moments you were listening to your breath, right? So how your breath can influence you is made evident through the artwork, right? I hope I was able to achieve a little bit of that inner exploration, going inside and letting the paper be a medium, the art be a medium for you to express. So this is something that it's called expressive arts therapy. Can somebody like to share what they felt? How the whole activity is gone? I leave it open to the floor. Anyone can react. Usually we take a long time in doing this, but because of the time constraint, I just gave you a couple of ones just like that. Anyone would like to share? What I meant by sharing is not the paper artwork. What I meant is Like if you would like to share the experience, what did you feel? I'm like
Yeah.
thinking of more on the, yeah.
Ma'am, can I?
Could you like,
This is
yeah,
Gilles Philip here. No, this is my sheet. I started drawing
please
these
go
lines
ahead.
initially. You can see this
Okay.
is what I tried doing. And initially, when I started drawing, you
Okay.
said longer breaths, shorter breaths, and all that. I was going by that. So these lines went longer and shorter and longer and shorter. But after a while,
Okay.
I stopped doing all of that. It was just that it was just these. It kind of settled down to a certain pattern itself. I think all the lines that I started drawing afterwards were maybe inhale long, then a smaller one, then it kind of just became the smaller same kind of things. Inhale, exhale, and whatever all these other patterns were trying to do.
Okay.
Maybe I think it was settling down into a certain rhythm itself.
Okay. Great.
I don't know.
So yeah, so the whole process here is for you to experience something, like, you know, your breath pattern will be completely different to the person who is sitting next to you, but the whole idea is for you, everyone here, to experience something about what your breath is trying to say, or what is being going on inside. So
Can
if
I
at
say
all
one?
you feel,
Can I say one
yes,
sentence
please.
about my experience?
May I
I
know who it
felt
is? There
as
is
if
so many
I
screens
am
here.
Sunu here.
Okay.
Sunu. It is Ajay Kumar. Mr. Ajay Kumar. Okay. My
Okay.
concentration was on myself only when I was doing that. Completely
Okay.
concentrating on myself. This in one
Okay.
sentence I just want to say.
Yes, it is called inner awareness.
Mm.
So when we are outside, we are all over the place, right? We are more aware of what other people are doing, are saying. We are aware of what is going in the garden or in the kitchen or in the office. But when we start slowly coming back, it's like it's your own movements and your own thoughts and process happening. Thank you for sharing. So let's go to the next bit of an activity, which is going to be an extension of this. So I really hope that you people get something out of this session. For this, I request you to keep your left hand over your over the paper and draw an outline of the palm. So you keep your palm like this and just draw an outline of the palm. The 5 fingers are drawn. So each person, please draw a palm. It's not like all the women are drawing. I hope all the sirs are also drawing. Yeah, okay. No. Yes. Okay. Now, when you keep I hope everybody got the palm outline. So, for this, I would just like you to focus on when you have kept the little finger. I just want all of you to close your eyes for a moment before we start this activity. So this requires you to really go inside. Just think of your favorite memory. What is the favorite memory you have had? It can be recent, it can be long back, it can be childhood, or even before. Whatever nice memory you have, a very pleasant memory. We all have beautiful memories, our treasure troves. Just pick one which you like to visit. Once you have finalized, look into the details. How does that memory be? What are the things you see in that image? What are the things? Who all are there in that memory? What is the furniture or what is the landscape? What is the, try figuring out the details. Now open your eyes and in that little finger part, you just draw what you saw. Is English okay as a medium of communication, or do you want me to switch to Malayalam? Should I use both? English is fine. Yeah, I hope. Yeah. Okay. So on the little finger, just draw or write whatever you feel. See, you're not going to show this to anybody. Draw what you felt. Draw what you saw. It can be drawings, it can be written words. You can write, for example, sun or swing or ice cream, whatever. I'm just giving examples. Please don't take my suggestions. Your personal memory, you have to write it down. That's why I said 2 papers, 2 pens separate. No sharing. It will take time. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു പേപ്പറിന്റെ രണ്ടറ്റത്തായിട്ട് രണ്ടുപേര് എഴുതിയാലും മതി. പേപ്പർ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ സമയം എടുക്കണ്ട. You can share it with. Yes. So the next finger, the next one next to the little finger, on this finger, you are going to write or draw things what you heard in the memory. What does that memory give you? Do you hear any sounds? For example, sound of, if it's like a beach, it's like sound of waves. If you've gone to your native place, what are the sounds of that place that you've gone? Or is it gone to a, whatever, everybody has got different memories, right? Or if it's like a school, or if it's like a trip, travel, all the sounds that you can hear, think of the memory. It would be nice if you can't, if you don't discuss and write, because when you talk, a lot of other things come across. So it's better that you be to yourself. We're doing a bit of a personal work, that's why. Now the third one, the next finger next to that, you will draw or write things what you, all the smell that you could figure out. Is there is a particular smell to that memory? Like some people can smell the coffee that they had, or they can smell the flowers. You can smell the earth. You can smell the rain. Any smell or strong smell. We all have senses, 5 senses. So the next one is, the 4th finger is taste. What are the different tastes that you can remember? Something that you can remember. It can be sweet, it can be something favorite, it can be something which is very particular of that place. If only, if only. Sometimes you can't figure out, leave that space open. But if you can figure out and identify and recollect and bring it back to the paper, well and good. If you feel that you can't remember that portion, leave it. And the last one is the touch. Did I touch some, can you feel the something there? Maybe the cloth, maybe the feet felt something. Is your soles of the feet touching? How did the earth feel? Or maybe it's a blanket that you like. Maybe it's the feel of the water on your skin. Anything tactile, anything to do with touching the surface. Something hard, something soft, something moving, whatever. Okay. Finally, you have this space here, the palm. There you write about the memory. A general thing, a day with my, or a day there, or a trip there, or whatever. Or maybe you can draw. You can take time and draw. If you're good with drawing and you like to draw instead of writing, it's better that you can draw something. And lastly, just have a look at the drawing. Take 1 minute to look at your drawing. This is a piece of your memory on the paper, and you have experienced it with your 5 senses. Now slowly bring that memory into your palm, Yes. You can slowly bring a closure to your drawing or writing. Put your pens down. Now everybody take your left hand. Close all the fingers. I can smell, I can see, I can hear. Fold the fingers. I can smell, I can taste, I can touch. And this is the piece of memory here. So this is a positive memory I carry with me. Okay, so close your eyes. Meditate on that. Slowly open your eyes. So this is a very positive image being created by you. So whenever you are feeling a little doubtful, you're feeling restless, you have different things going on in your mind, you just need to close your fingers and try this. This is an image created by you. This positive image is going to help you. No, this is something I have done. So this is going to give me all the energy and positivity to push me ahead, right? It's a very personalized reflection happening, and we used it to bring it on the paper. It's all coming from you. This is a gift for yourself, this positive image. So would anyone like to share their experience of the positive imagery created? Everyone is silent. I think I have taken you very backward into your memory lanes. Was it a travel down the memory lane? Anwar Ashraf is smiling. Yes, anybody would like to share?
Madam, I'd like to share that. See, I went almost to my UKG, where I recited a poem. It's a rhyme, not a poem. It's a Tamil rhyme, which I recited in front of the hostel hall. This memory which you told, I remembered that, and I went to my UKG period almost many years back. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Jairaj, for sharing this. It's actually this is a very personalized thing coming from you. So it's a positive image which you can carry it always. Thank you sharing. How did that feeling be? How did you feel it when you came upon that?
It was very refreshing, and I almost went to that period, to that age.
Of course you will, because your senses have helped you to create the memory. You're not relying only on your thoughts. You're using your senses to rebuild the image.
Okay.
Anybody else? Thank you so much for sharing. Anybody else?
Ma'am, Mani here.
Yes, please.
Yeah, it was nice to take a pause, and it took me back to the time when I got my first child. So I could like very vividly collect back memories, the way his soft, skin was, and how he made those noises when I got him first in my hand. So thanks a lot for that. And Jarrad sir, I hope you're back from your memory, not stuck.
Karthik, I think we were thinking of the same thing. You were thinking of your child. I was thinking of my grandson, holding holding my grandson.
See how I just made you guys to think of a memory. See what different things are coming up, but everything has got a relation also. It's like you said, it's your child, where somewhere else it's a grandchild. Somebody else became a child himself. So that's the beauty of art. You needn't speak anything much. You needn't need anything more. It's all in you. So it's just a piece of paper and a pen to recreate whatever it is done. So we call it positive imagery. And I have worked with different client population, and this one is very helpful when it comes to de-stress. Like people, I'm sorry to say, I've worked with a lot of people who gone through a lot of trauma. For them, verbal communication is very, very difficult. So in such places, we play some music, and then we just give them papers and colors and crayons and things like that. I'm not saying that it's only these kind of therapies only needed for people who have gone through trauma or are in trauma. Nowadays, the mental health is used very much loosely, like, oh, everybody is having depression, anxiety, that stress and all. No, this kind of a work is applicable to all, because everybody has got something called mental health. Just like you don't feel if you have a cold, you don't have any qualms in taking a paracetamol or an anti-allergy. When you're going through something disturbing or something excited and you want to share, people are very inhibited, and that is not actually people are just taking that if I say something, people will judge me wrongly. So mental health is something coming up nowadays. People are giving a lot of recognition. So this means that therapy is not only for people who have problems. Therapy can be used for everybody to rejuvenate themselves, to discover themselves. Okay, so this is just a small thing. So this positive imagery, please carry it wherever you are. It will be there. You just have to discover. Just hold your fist like this and the image will pop up here. You open up, this image will be here. Okay, so this is a gift which you did for yourself. I hope I'm not crossing the timeline. Is it time to go? Please tell me, the host, whoever, the moderator, how much of time I have left. I don't want to exceed your time limit.
No, madam, you can carry on. You can carry on, madam. You can carry on.
Okay.
Under 10-15 minutes is okay.
Okay, so any other questions before we move to the last segment? I told you I'm just going to use music and art and movement. We'll come to the movement part last.
Hello.
Anyone wants to ask a question? Many are just in the thinking mode, I think. Okay, so I guess that's okay for me to go on ahead. Okay. We'll just go to the movement part of it. I'll just play a music and I'll be just using my hands to explore it. I hope you guys can catch up with me and we'll try doing it. Simple hand activity. I'm not going to do much. Okay, simple hand activity. Everybody can use their hands, right? Yeah, okay. So can we use the hands to explore up? Explore up. Can I have the screens open, please? Some of you have switched off your screens. It would be nice for me to see. Yes. Can you stretch? What can you say? How does it feel to stretch up? Okay, those who want to stand up can stand up and stretch. Okay, nice. Now, use your hand to stretch forward. Use your hands to stretch sideways. Stretch forward. Backward, and the whole central area. Okay. The next one, down. Use your hands to go down. Use the floor and come up slowly. Nice. A good warm up. I just wanted to use you to explore 3 levels: up, middle, down. And these are not dance related terms, okay? Anybody can use it. Yes. Yeah. Up, exploring the middle, and exploring the down. Okay. So shall we do a song together? Shall we do a song together? So this is a very simple energizer song. So we go dum dum dee da. So how does it go? Dum dum dee da. All of you repeat. You don't have to unmute. You just say it yourself. Dum dum dee da. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Dum dum dee da. Dum dum dee da. I don't see the lips moving. It's not just me, okay? I am doing it this for you. I can catch you on screen, okay? Now I'll become the teacher mode. Okay, guys, I want maximum support. 1, 2, 3. So let's use our thighs, or you can use your table to create the rhythm. So dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da. So one time low and one time powerful. So once more, watch once more. Dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da. Understood? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da. Okay, the next one is challenging, okay? Dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da. 1, 2, 3, start. Dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da. Okay, good. So what's the first one? Somebody show me the first one. Yeah, this one. Okay. What's the second one? Okay. Next one. This is your right side and this is your left side, right? So you nod your head. Dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da. 1, 2. Very cute. I can see, I'm not naming who it is. So we have 2 lovebirds here. They are doing dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da. So it's not like that. It's like, right? You can have it. You can have fun. I have no problem. So it's like right, moving to the right, moving to the left. 1, 2, 3, start. So the first one is dum dum dee da, dum dum dee da. Second one, dum dum dee da, 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 dum dum dee da. The last one is shoulder. Come on, let me see the shoulders moving. Shoulder up. Move your shoulders, guys. Shoulder. No, the shoulder. No hands. Only the shoulder. Allow your shoulder to speak. Shoulders are the ones which carry the tension all the time. Shoulder up, shoulder down, shoulder up, shoulder down. Okay, yes, very nice. Okay, so first movement. Let's see the first movement. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, nice. Last we'll do our classic, you know, what is it? Mangapari Chelegutta, right? Everybody has watched that scene. Yeah. Dum dum dida, dum dum dida. Okay? We'll end with the Mangapari and Chelegutta step. Okay? Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, start. Dum dum dida, dum dum dida, dum dum dida, dum dum 4 times. Dum dum dida, 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 dum dum dida. Dum dum dida, dum dum dida, dum dum dida. Thank you. We can all do this standing also, but then I saw that the screens were like everybody is happy sitting in one place and it want to disturb. You can do this standing, okay? So next time you guys have a Rotary meeting, you can try this. Okay? Fine. So let's have some last music before we wind up. This will just take 5 minutes. How did it go? Anybody likes to go while I set the Bluetooth?
Battery 80%.
Ma'am, we missed,
like to
we
share?
missed this step.
Huh?
E step miss ayi.
He said mistake hoya. Oh, so sorry. Good. You are a very good student. Danya, see? Okay.
We just
This was
loved
a
it.
favorite step. Sorry, I missed it. You guys want to try it again?
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shishila, we just loved it.
You just loved it, sir? Yeah. This. You can try as many. If I got time, I would ask each one of you to create something and show, and then we could all do it as a group. This is all group therapy. This is how group therapy works. So you don't feel isolated. You feel all inclusive in the group. And I could see very nice movements from the men also. Nice.
Madam, last ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം കൂടി നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാം. ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം കൂടി ചെയ്യാം.
Okay, we'll wind it with a closing song. Okay. Okay. Now this is something very I like this music. I hope you like it too. Just give me a second. Is it audible? Okay, very simple. You all know this song. Anybody now knows this song? I'm sure there'll be singers in this group, yeah. Anybody knows the lines, the lyrics? Very famous Malayalam song. Birthday boy. Know the song? Commander, sir, do you know the song? Let's dedicate this song to him. The birthday person. I don't know the name. I can just see Commander returning.
Birthday
girl is Sumo.
Okay, this song is dedicated for you today. I hope you like it, sir. Okay, I don't know it, Kathleen. It's okay. It's fine. You needn't know it, but I just asked. Okay, so it is Mandara Cheppundo. Okay, so let's go. Mandaram is the flower. So Mandara Cheppundo. Manikya Kallundo. Kayil Varmatiye. Okay, can I see the screens? 1, 2, 3, start. Mandara Cheppundo. Manikya Kallundo. This. Yeah. Kayil Varmatiye. Okay. Can we see this? Huh. Okay. So we begin with this movement. So the second half is simple. Kayil Enum Vayambumundu Vanam Paditan.
Ma'am, music is getting stuck, ma'am.
Oh,
Music stuck ആവുന്നുണ്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
ഇപ്പോഴോ? Let's see.
Play ആദ്യം കേൾക്കുമായിരുന്നു. Now it's not audible.
I pick the lyrics and just do something together. Okay, let's try. Ready? So the first 4 songs we do this. You all know this. You're familiar with this. Last time, and we end it for the day. Clap for yourself, guys. This is for you, and this is for the birthday boy.
Girl.
Girl, this is for you. Okay, this is not an enthusiastic clap. Can I see a big clap? What is this? Over the screen also I can sense your energy. Yay, that's it. Good job. Thank you so much. This was just a little bit of movement. Like last part, I got in a structured dance movement or just using your hands. Our hands also have the power to communicate. You needn't use the whole body to do it. So this is just a small attempt on my part. So using the power of music and using the body, using the gestures to communicate. So it was just a group building activity. Thank you so much for bringing me here. I had a great time. I hope I was able to give you also a good time, something different. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much. The floor is over to you.
ആർക്കെങ്കിലും എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസോ എന്താ?
You can share what you experienced. It needn't be Please don't think that it's like to be a feedback, but you can also share what you have gone through. I felt this, or this brought me this, because it's the experience that matters in such kind of work. So I would really appreciate if anybody could share their experience of how they felt
Meena
throughout, or
aunty,
any one activity.
requesting Meena aunty to
Ask
say
me questions
their
also.
Yeah,
experience.
Sheila, I just felt like going back so many years into my childhood or a teenager, and doing those dance steps, and so much of happiness and joy I felt when I was doing all this. Yeah, really, it was beautiful experience.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing.
Vrinda, Vrinda.
Vrinda, it's not audible.
Audible.
Can you hear? Now?
Yes, good,
Yes,
good.
yes, please.
I think we should learn a dance full. It was so short. I think we should all get up and dance.
Yeah.
So, Revati, I think you do for the ants.
Yeah, definitely we will do.
Yeah, Sushila, thank you so much. It was really refreshing during this lockdown.
Thank you, Vrinda. Thank you so much. I had put out the option that if you want to get up and dance, you could. Because if I get up, I will lose the screen contact. That's why I was remaining sitting. But usually in how the movement therapy happens, we don't put any furniture. So we just walk into an empty auditorium and we just do it. And if I remember, I had done a session last year also, right?
The year before,
I
it
think,
was movement therapy. Movement therapy.
yeah,
We
that is
can do
movement
it in
therapy.
online also.
Yeah, now it's all online.
Yeah.
Personally, the experience is totally different. The physical one is different and the virtual one is different, but still we are doing with whatever we could. So even if you stand and do it, it's fine. But the only thing is I lose the screen presence. But maybe we can try it later some other time. Or you guys can always do it. Now you know the song, you know the activity.
We will definitely call you, ma'am, once again.
No, that was not my intention, but I'm happy. But just letting you know.
Sanichaya, you like to add?
Any other questions? I do this kind of work different from my dance work, because the dance class is completely in a totally different. It's called structured dancing. This is called art therapy, movement therapy. I call it Art Atma. That's my space. But I do work with a lot of people in this. So this was very effective for when I went for the flood relief camps. So when I went there, if I could share an experience, we used to give crayons to the people, and we asked them to write what they feel, to draw with what they feel. We put them some music and give some activities and things like that, and then we used some similar movement based things. So it came handy there. So I felt very happy that I could contribute at that point of time. Any other questions?
See,
Or any other experience?
my memory went back to my father's advice. He used to tell me,
who the speaker is?
I am Isha John.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
My memory went back to my father's advice in January. രണ്ട് കൈ അടിക്കുമ്പോഴേ സൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. അതിന്റെ മീനിങ് എന്താ വരുന്നുള്ളത് മനസ്സിലായോ? If you have a difference of opinion with somebody, കൈ അടിച്ചെങ്കിലേ സൗണ്ട് ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. So I dedicate this finger as respect to elders.
Sure. Of course. They are always our people who always guide us and mentor us. Definitely. With due respect, sir. Anybody else?
Jacob Uncle Shobha aunty.
Sorry.
Balu?
Can you hear me?
Yes, Balu, go ahead.
Yeah, madam. There are a lot of therapies like music therapy is used for cancer patients, and a lot of art therapy is also used for us. It is mainly used in mental well-being, isn't it? Is there any other places where it is being used?
Yes, different places. So we customize according to the group. So if I walk into a group of children, this will not be the activity I'll be giving them. If I walk into a place like there is a lot of, let's say I'm going to an abused women's home, this will not be the activity that we give. So we customize according to the needs of the population. So it is completely based on what the need is, what age group they belong. I have worked with, when I work with deaf and dumb children, that was a totally different experience for me. I learned a lot from them. So we schedule it according to the needs of the population.
Have you done anything for autistic students or something?
No, I don't work with children with special needs because it needs a person who has already worked with them. So we don't open up, this is very delicate work. So one word from me can trigger a lot of emotions in a lot of people.